Ladies and gentlemen, this video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called rans. This ransomware is extremely dangerous because it encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware, by the way, is able to damage pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Well, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. But very soon, unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So it also amends the desktop background into this one that you see. It also reveals a special ransom note in a form of TXT file called how to recovery files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin, but first of all, the software should update the anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. The scanning itself will take some time. It typically depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and on other factors too. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. So consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware, to remove any other possible malware, and of course to get your files always protected from further ransomware attacks. So Premium license is what you need, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.